Here we go. All cameras are working. So basically, that was where the NVR is, and here is the switch. I've replaced this cabinet, which was broken by a long car. Also, the switch is broken. I've replaced it. Some cables were cut. I have connected a new RJ45 connectors, and everything worked again. And that's it. I'm ready to go. Here is where the small cows are raised. I think they only feed them milk. I don't know. Let's see. In each one of them you can find 2 bowls. It's actually water, and the blue bowl is empty, so maybe it's not milk. I don't know. Here we go. I've gathered my stuff, waiting for the car to come and pick me up. These are fans that blow basically air, and you see that thing is blowing water. So basically air come from here, hits the water, and it becomes watered air. So it's very refreshing for the cows, especially in summer. And these yellow things basically rotate. They usually rotate continuously, but I don't know why now they have stopped. Anyway, these yellow stuffs for the cows to scratch themselves, to scratch their back and body. That's it. Do you see this blue cable? This blue cable is flat. It's called Yassi cable, which is used with water pumps, the pumps underground. See, it is flat. Focus. Yes.